Hey guys, it's Scottyontop doing a group box break of artifacts. Sorry it took so long for all the spots, so I didn't think it would take that long. So I'm giving out 3 extra spots. Got everybody's name here, and however many times you bought it, gonna mix it up. Top 3 names after the second one get an extra spot. So there's once and twice. So KYLS 1989 and Kerwin 2006. Lucky I got 2 extra ones. So here's all the names, just add the extra 3. So I'll mix this up 3 times and then I have the teams do it twice, just because. Yeah. So there's everybody. Just that I get, oh yeah, there's 24 people. So Sean, 1989-77 is Colorado. Kerwin is the New York Rangers. Firefish is Phoenix. D339519 is St. Louis. KYLS got the Toronto. Firefish Dave got Phoenix. Firefish Dave got Los Angeles. Kerwin got Pittsburgh. T. Koth got Columbus. Zach Hockey Cards got Vancouver, and Christopher got the Islanders. Dialox got the Hurricanes. Kerwin got Atlanta. KYLY got Boston. Firefish Dave got Panthers in Dallas. KYLS KLYS got the Devils. Zach got Montreal. Locke got Anaheim. Sean got Buffalo. Kerwin got Ottawa. Tivoth got Edmonton. McCove got San Jose, and D33 got Minnesota. Okay. First one, Alfredson. Treasured Swatch is number 1 of 150 is Steven Stamkos. And San Jose. Tuukka Rask, Michael Frolic, Colorado Avalanche, and Mikko Koivu. Minnesota Legends, 202 out of 999, Ron Extall. Philadelphia, Kopitar, and Gustafsson. One is Derek Roy, Stefan West. Oh, look at that. Jonathan Taves autograph. Awesome. And Matt Duchene. Jeff Carter. And 44 out of 999, Henrik Zetterberg, Claude Giroux, and Zach Bogosian. Patrick Elias, there's the duel for Dallas, number 7 of 10. Kerry Lettinen and Mike Ribeiro. Cool. And Derek Brassard. There's Brad Richards, Mark Savard, rookies 922 out of 999. Richard Kloon for LA, and Sam Gagne. Henrik Sedin, Josh Bailey. Ooh, look at that. Jeff Carter, number 6 of 25. That's good. And Duncan Keith. There's David Perron. Rookies. Oh, I don't even know. For the Rangers, number 733 out of 999. Cam Warren and St. Louis. The last pack is Mike Richards, JP Dumont. Ooh, a dual patch of Phil Kessel. That's awesome. Look at that. It's number 7 of 15. And Ilya Kovalchuk and Andre Markov. Thanks, guys. I'll be shipping them out as soon as I can, probably tomorrow. Bye.